Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the app is current because options can move between versions. Once done, open Instagram and go straight to your profile. Tap the menu icon, then Settings. From Settings, select Privacy and find Activity Status. This is the control panel for the green online dot. You're doing this now to avoid extra navigation later, so don't wander into other menus. Prepare to change the toggle. That single switch removes the online tag for your account. Now tap Activity Status to open the specific setting and read the short explanation. Instagram tells you that turning it off hides your online presence. Go ahead and flip the toggle to off. This immediately stops the green dot and last seen timestamp from showing to others. Make sure you understand the why. Instagram enforces reciprocity, so once disabled, you also lose visibility of other people's online indicators. If you manage multiple accounts, repeat for each account to keep them finish by confirming the change. Either view your profile from a different account or ask a friend to check that your green dot is gone. If it still appears, force close the app, clear its cache, or reinstall. These steps resolve stale UI states. Make sure no third-party automation or linked apps are overriding settings. Disconnect them if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip. If issues persist, log out and back in, because session sync often fixes lingering visibility bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.